Howdy everyone, this is Grandpa with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. I'm at the Fairway North Fields, in Frisco, Texas. These are gorgeous apartments we're looking at. These are really new, recently built, just quite amazing apartments. And Fairway North Fields are worth your attention. So what we're gonna do is I wanna talk to you a little bit about this area. So this is, you can see over here, there's just beautiful stuff all around. This is the PGA offices over here at Fields Ranch. So the PGA, just right over here, just almost a stone's throw away. Gorgeous facilities right here, and you can be, right next to them if you're at the Fairway here. These are new, very nice. Not a lot of people have moved into this. It's that new, just simply gorgeous. And it's two buildings, by the way. There's a big set that's over here, and then there's a big set that's over here. So there's some amenities in both buildings. Over here, actually, there's a pool in both buildings, and then there's a fitness center that's in this building, I believe, and then there's a game lounge that's actually in this building. We're going to see the models that we're going to see in here, and some apartments in this building over here. This seems a little bit more the active side because it's got the leasing center, the lobby, and some other cool things here like the fitness center. You'd want to be here because in this area you've got this is really close to the North Dallas Tollway. It is close, obviously, to the PGA Tour that's here in Frisco, and it's also just close to the 121, so it's very convenient to the airport. It's a perfect area if you're a family. You can just kind of rest and not have to tour or not have to have housing expenses where you got a mortgage and that kind of stuff. Just stay here for a while and relax and enjoy the area. It's a perfect place also if you're thinking about building and you want to be here for a year while you're building. This is a great location, the Fairway North Fields. All right, now we're going to go inside. I want you to see the lobby. We're going to do that right now.